Hello my dear friends, we are grade 7 IIT are ready to perform activity about physical and chemical changes. And my friend will say about physical change.
Physical change is a change in which a substance undergoes its physical properties is called physical change. Physical change is a reversible change. In a physical change, no new substance is formed. Let us see some examples of physical change. Now my friend Vinilati will say about some examples of physical change. Example number 1, dissolving salt in water.
Take a glass full of water and take 2 to 3 spoons of salt and pour in it. When it starts dissolving, this is an example of physical change because no new substance is formed.
Example number 2, cutting of paper into pieces.
Take a paper and cut it into pieces. Let us see the pieces of the paper. This is an example of physical change because the property is not changed but the shape and size is changed. Now my friend Bhartwas will say about chemical change.
A change in which one or more new substance formed is called chemical change. Chemical change is also known as chemical reaction. In chemical change, new substances are formed. Chemical change is a irreversible change. Let us see some examples of chemical change. Example number 1, rusting of iron.
Take an iron rod, keep it in the water or air. After some days, you will observe the rust of iron. Rust is a new substance, so it is a chemical change.
Example number 2, burning of paper.
Take a paper, burn the paper. When it starts burning, observe the paper. You will see the ash of the paper. Ash is a new substance, so it is a chemical change.
Thank you.
Thank you.